So that's how you've been doing it. So that's how you've been doing it.
At school?
Hey, buddy.
At school? I mean, at the, when it's coming the
Did you lose a nail?
rock?
How many? 4? That's more than I expected.
And I got all of them. I found
Do you want them back on?
Yes!
Alright, go get the pack and we'll put them back on.
Not right now.
Well, we're about to go to church, so if you want them on for church, you need to go do it.
I don't know how.
Go get the pack and I will do it.
Oh, Mama. Oh, oh. Why? You.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, Kyler.
I'm going to take my shoes off, Mom.
You can. There's no water in this pool, though. You can get in there with your shoes on.
No,